Local news for Monday the 14th of May. Gladstone Vineyard is set to be acquired by Odyssey Capital Group in partnership with Flying Winemaker Holdings Limited. The Flying Winemaker is a multifaceted Australasian wine producer founded by award-winning winemaker Eddie McDougall, who says he's looking forward to building on Gladstone Vineyard's success. The annual nominal GDP figures for territorial authority regions align with Stats New Zealand's figures for regional council regions. Carterton was the standout district for the Wellington region, up 33.4%. And in club rugby from the weekend, Gladstone bet Ikitahuna 59-12 Friday nights. On Saturday, Greytown bet Marist 46-14. East Coast bet Marston Red Start 31-14, while Carterton had a 24-20 win over Martinborough.